In this video, we will be discussing Class 9 Social Science book of Democratic Politics, Chapter 1 of Democracy. This is part 1 of the series. We will discuss two questions in this chapter. What is democracy and why democracy? So let's just address the first question, that is, what is democracy in this part. Democracy comes from the Greek word demokratia. Demo means people and kratia means rule. So, democracy is ruled by the people. But we have to understand that only knowing this is not enough, because with the time the meaning of the word also evolves. For example, mobile phone. Initially, mobile phone was only used to call or text someone to communicate. But now, mobile phones are used for a variety of tasks and functions like note writing, games, entertainment, music, calculations, etc. Likewise, meaning of democracy has also evolved, and we will try to understand it in the present context of time. You might think, why do we even need a definition of democracy when we already know that democracy is a rule of the people, by the people, and for the people, as said by Abraham Lincoln? We need a definition to be able to differentiate a real democratic government from the ones who pretend themselves to be one. This only happens to gain public faith and trust and to gain global acceptance. So, the definition of democracy is: democracy is a form of government in which the rulers are elected by the people. To understand this definition properly in detail, we will look at the features of democracy. But before that, we will discuss few examples. Let us see whether the following situations reflect democratic setup or not. In Myanmar, army is in control of governance. The army is not elected. By seeing this definition of democracy, can you tell whether Myanmar is a democratic country or not? No, it is not a democracy because the rulers are not elected by the people. In Saudi Arabia, only people born in royal family rule the country. Is this democracy? Surely not, as the rulers are not elected. In Iraq, elections were held under the control and influence of US and other foreign powers. Does this sound like a democracy? No, because elections are not held independently and people were not sovereign under the presence of outside powers. A sovereign country is one whose government has supreme authority over its people and territory. This hindered the expression of real voice of people in elections. We will stop here in this part. For part 2, please click on the link given in the description box below. If this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching.